Adab. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to go ahead and create this glam no foundation makeup look. I am so excited about this because I am the type of person who literally hates wearing foundation all the time. Even in the winter, I literally hate wearing it any time. I only wear it when I'm doing videos. In all honesty, I have never actually went out with foundation. It's only for the videos or if I'm actually going out to a shadi, which there are no shadis in the winter. Which sucks. Anushka Sharma had it, but I wasn't invited. Thanks, girl. So today I wanted to go ahead and do this kind of a makeup look. You can blend this up right now. I do have gold on the eye and also under the eye. You can definitely change up the eye looks with whatever colors that you want to use to match your outfit, to just really go with your day. And I'm just using gold because my earrings, hello. For the people that are interested in learning how I achieved all this, just keep on watching. Before I can start the video, I do want to apologize for the actual fraying of the video. I am working with a green screen trying to practice and learn, and eventually over time it will get better. But to start off the makeup look, I am going to be applying a duo chapstick just to moisturize and hydrate my lips. Next, I'm going to be going into the H20 Serum and just applying that all over my face. This is perfect for anybody who has dry skin because literally your skin absorbs everything. I'm also going to be applying my CeraVe's Daily Moisturizer. This has been my favorite for the past 2-3 years now, and I love it. I'm also going into the Porfessional Primer by Benefit and just applying that on my cheekbones as well as my forehead and chin area just to diminish any fine lines or pores that I have going on. And next I am going to be using my Graftobien's concealing palette, and I'm using a salmon color, just applying that around any of my dark patches, currently my dark spots, and also I am going to be using the green corrector and applying that on any of the red spots, and I'm going to blend it in. I'm also going to use a very light kind of a skin tone shade from the very same palette and just going to use that as my concealer. And apart from this, there is no foundation or anything else that goes on from this. I am going to be setting this just because I don't want it to move around and I really want it to look natural. So I'm going to be using my Rimmel London's Stay Matte pressed powder and just applying that around my eye area, only in the areas where I have applied a concealer that needs setting. Next, I'm going to be using the Dermablend Bronzer, and I'm just going to apply that in the crease area just to really use it as a transition color and make my lids look natural. And then on top of the lids, I am going to be using the Gold Chocolate Too Faced eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use the dark brown that I have, or like a Cocoa Puff brown, and I'm going to apply that over the lid just to really neutralize my lid area. And then I'm also dragging that under my lower lash line just to really even everything out. And I'm going to be using a Note, which is by Junaid Jamshed. A lot of people did tell me this is another brand and it doesn't belong to Junaid Jamshed, but he does sell it at his stores. So I'm going to be using that eyeliner, and I'm just going to wing it very lightly. It's going to be a very thin eyeliner application along with a very light kind of a wing. And then I'm using the NYX's Cake Brow Palette Duo thing, and I'm just going to go ahead, fill my brows in, and I'm not going to do an intense brow just because there's going to be no concealing or anything. Just fill in these sparse areas that you just have hanging around that you really want to fix. Use the same bronzer that we used from Dermablend, or any bronzer that you're using in fact, and go ahead and contour and really define your cheekbones. So I picked these drops up from Ross, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply this. I really don't know how to pronounce the name, but this is the Reveal luminizing drops that I'm just applying on my Cupid's bow as well as the bridge of my nose, my cheekbones, and also just my forehead and chin area. This is really going to luminize and just kind of give a glowing, kind of a dewy effect to my face. And then I'm also going to go ahead and define my nose just to slim it out a bit. And then I'm using the Milani Color Statement in the shade Plum Rose and just applying that because this is a very natural kind of a lip color. It's similar to my own lip shade, so I'm just applying that, and I don't know, I feel like it just kind of gave it a very nice kind of a well put together no makeup look appearance. And then for my blush, I used La Grace's blush, which I love, and then using a gold shadow from the Gold Chocolate palette, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my finger and just dab that on the lid just to kind of give a I guess like a glamorous look, you can say, and then apply your favorite mascara, and that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so this is the overall look. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also leave a comment down below of what you guys want to see next, and I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! If you guys enjoyed this video and would like new videos in your feeds, do not forget to hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to be notified of new videos.